Alright, so we're going to start by parting right down the middle of the face and then right down the sides of the face with my e.l.f. liquid black liner, and this is just going to define the main places where you want to put the stitches for the voodoo doll. And then we're going to draw the eyes, which you just want to draw as little ovals right above your eyeball, and these will be like the buttons of the doll. And then you want to fill that in with some brown eyeshadow, and I also put some pomade over it, which was the Ebony pomade, I believe, by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And you just want to use a small pointy brush for this. Okay, now using white body paint on my face, I'm going to just go ahead and draw X's with a small brush. This doesn't have to be perfect. You can just go ahead and do it on your forehead, and I'm going to do it on my chin and on the sides of my mouth. And then the rest I'm going to save for the latex I'll be putting on. Okay, then after that you just want to draw your buttons. So you just want to draw 2 straight lines over the eyes we made, and that should just create the image of a button. And you want to finish drawing out your stitches with the white body paint. Okay, this is when I start cooling down gauze with the latex over them using a sponge. I use gauze just because I feel like a voodoo doll would have string type of wounds, so that's just the best texture that it gave me. And then I'm just using scissors to cut it to the size that I want. Just be careful with the latex. I know people say you shouldn't put it if your face is hairy or on any hair. And then I'm just going to keep on patting that all over my face until I have a good layer where all my stitches are. And you just want to use some fake blood and trace that within the cuts of your stitches. It's going to be really red at first, but I'm going to go ahead and dye that down with some burgundy eyeshadow later on. You just want to draw big black X's to represent these big stitches on the mouth that I just decided to add on last minute, and you just want to do them wherever you put them latex gauze on. Okay, so going in with Dark Side from the palette Naked 3 by Urban Decay, I'm just going to go ahead and go around all my stitches and start making that brown. And then I realized probably halfway through this that I need to just make it contour, so I switch over to a bronzer and I go ahead and just keep shadowing and shadowing those stitches. So that's the biggest, longest process of this. You just have to keep with the shadowing and keep on blending everything into your skin. Using an angled brush, I'm just going to extend my X's and make those shadows nice and big to just give it more dramatic effect. Okay, with the bronzer from the Too Faced Contour palette, I'm just going to keep on contouring within my stitches, and I'm going to keep on just shading as much as I possibly can. I'm going to take that same contour bronzer, and I'm going to just put that around my eyes. And I'm going to take my e.l.f. liner and then just line out my stitches. Okay, now I am just going to go ahead and put some finishing touches. I'm going to contour all over my face with that same bronzer, and I'm going to add some orange eyeshadow to just give the buttons a little bit more life. And that's all for this look. Hope you guys have a great time.
Hi guys, welcome back to 13 Days of Kreep. This is look number 7, and I call it my voodoo doll. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys are enjoying this series, and I hope you guys share this video, subscribe to my channel, and like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!